Welcome to Haugen Racing, ladies and gentlemen. One of my favorite things to do is honestly seeing other people's projects. No, this one's not doing it for me either, okay? I don't understand like where this car is going. I love seeing your guys' creativity. It sparks creativity in myself.
And I like to think I'm a pretty creative person.
But honestly, many people who are creative, they always get inspired from other people. And so today I'm gonna check out project cars on Reddit. It's just a huge Reddit with people posting up their projects, and a lot of them are really cool. For example, check this one out. So this has been completed project, 1969 Mustang. This is a crazy transformation. Like, this is full restoration. He left it like mostly OEM. By the way, if you guys think I'm only into like JDM cars and imports, I love like all sorts of cars. So especially in today's video, this is gonna have all sorts of stuff. This is so sick. Because I've built cars, I can imagine how much work this is, but I almost want to say I can't imagine how much work this is. Like, this is crazy. At least the car he got to start with, the body was pretty straight. That's like gonna save you a lot of time, and especially if it's not all rusted out. But it's hard to say, you know, just from the one picture we have. This guy says, new project, super excited about this restoration. Where's the car? It looks like the car just like exploded and disappeared. Oh my God, this is another one. This is actually such a cool Reddit. Thank you guys for suggesting this. By the way, if you have any Reddits that you want me to react to and check out, please comment them below. I'm always looking for new stuff. But this is insane. So, nice thing about the car they got, I don't know if it was running and driving. It does look like it has some weight in it though, so I think there's an engine in it. But you can see a steering wheel, like it has most of the stuff there. And that really helps because you don't have to source all the stuff. You just basically have to restore, you know, repaint everything. Doesn't mean it's any like, you know, not a lot of work. It's still a ton of work. I love the color you picked for this thing too. Actually, look at the deep dish too. This thing's kind of a flex, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. Holy crap. The caption on this was, I've been wanting a project car, so my wife turned my daily into one. That does not look good. I don't even know if that's salvageable. It looks like it's mainly just the bed. Oh my God, that is, yeah, you got a project on your hand, my friend. You know what really isn't that time consuming? Pretty low effort. Shopping on haugenracing.com. It's a lot easier than building yourself a project car, and you can help support the channel. Every purchase goes back into making more content and making better and cooler videos and going on these adventures with all of you. All right, so this guy said 5 years in the making. He's running out of things to modify. Sir, I can tell you, there's still things you can modify. You just gotta search. It's really like, this is really, really well done, honestly. Like, I like a lot of little details on it and stuff. I can tell the amount of effort and time you put into this thing. Oh my God. This guy said he went out for coffee in the beater. Dude, that thing is crazy. Dude, that thing's nuts. And the fact you could drive it on the street, I'm high-key jealous. If you saw that thing from behind, you would be like, oh, this is probably just some like regular ass car, but that's definitely not a sleeper once you see the front end. Yo, these are so sick. I love Project Car Reddit. So this, he said 4.5 years. That is an insane transformation too. Like, I'm just picking out everything. Body kit, suspension, wheels, whole new paint job. He's obviously done some interior work as well. This is a really cool car too, but just the transformation is so freaking cool to see. Okay, just picked it up, 1992 Maserati Shamal, one of 369. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I have never even seen this car before. It's pretty freaking cool. I don't know if this is like some kind of like a AMG or something like that within Maserati, but like it looks like wide body. Yo, someone's gotta make this a drift car. It'd be an animal though if there's only one of 300. Almost as animal as LS swapping an R34 Skyline. Oh, this is cool. This guy said for Star Wars Day, Boba Fett style. It actually, like, I don't know if I would have picked it out just by seeing it, but now that you say it, it definitely reminds me of that. That's really cool. Okay, so apparently this is a Porsche Boxster. It's full tube chassis. What is left? No, this is just a Oh, maybe you're putting a Porsche Boxster body on it eventually, but this thing is nuts. That looks so freaking fun. Okay, this was his first project car. What the heck happened? Did you get it from like was it like a crashed up car and then you fix it up? Either way, that's freaking crazy. Whether you crashed it up or you bought it and fixed it, that's nuts, because it looks pretty spot on. It looks good. Oh, you guys, and random girl who watches, who I really appreciate. Tell your friends, by the way, so we can get some more ladies on here. I finally decided, if you guys saw one of my last vlogs, I was asking you, should I build a Suzuki Carry with K-Mita from Rocket Bunny, or should I build a Daihatsu Copen GTR with Wataru Kato from Liberty Walk? Long story short, I hit up K-Mita because you guys went wild over the Suzuki Carry, and after being here for like a week now, I've been driving a K van around pretty much, and I'm like, it would be so useful for me and like the perfect project car. And so I hit him up, I was like, hey, let's do the Suzuki Carry truck. And he was like, may I make a suggestion? Of course, it's K-Mita from Rocket Bunny. He's a legend. Obviously, he can make a suggestion. And he says, Suzuki Wagon R, which I've never heard of. Aaron dropped some pics up of Suzuki Wagon Rs, some stock ones and some custom ones. And basically, he wants to make a body kit with me, debut it on the car, and those cars are actually legal to import into the US, so stay tuned on that. And body kit's gonna be a production body kit. Probably similar style to like the Carry, the wide box fenders and all that, and wings and front lips and side skirts, but just something totally cool and unique. This guy said he picked this RX-7 up for free today. What am I doing with my life? Rosell from Buy Now Japan doesn't even know how many cars he has. This guy's getting a free RX-7. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying, that is nuts. All right, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm not like a big rally guy, Mitsubishi, Subaru guy, but I definitely can respect and appreciate a nice car when I see one. This thing is sick. So he said he kind of brought it back to somewhat OEM, but I don't exactly know what's OEM and not, because I'm not an expert on these cars. If the hood is OEM, that's sick. I know Evo hoods a lot of times came with that. That was kind of iconic, that like double middle scoop. But yeah, that thing is pretty sweet. This is such a troll. After almost 4 years, a lot of money, and even more sweat, I grew a beard. I'm not able to do that. I got a baby face. All right, that was actually really fun. There's a lot of crazy project cars out there that people aren't necessarily doing for social media, so you're not like seeing them all over the place, but they are still posting them on Reddit, so it's really dope to see. Guys, let me know what else I should react to on Reddit. We've done like project cars, worst car mods, Ricer cars, drifting, but I'm into all sorts of stuff car related, so let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see and what I should check out. This is how I found project cars actually, so thank you to all of you. Anyways, I really appreciate and love all of you, and we will see you later. Hit that subscribe button. All right, peace out.